right, Precalc, we are going to just do the 3x3s on a calculator. There's a lot of tedious information. I could post a video if you want to do that optionally on how to do this by hand. But for the most part, number one, you're not going to see the inverse of a 3x3 on an SAT or an ACT or a college placement exam, I doubt. So for the most part, if you have to face this, you're going to be facing it with a calculator anyway. So let's look at the inverse of A. So remember, we're going to do this on our calculator by hitting second and then hitting that button that says x to the negative first. I already have under A a 3x3, so I'm going to scroll to the right and I'm going to scroll to the word edit. And I'm going to call this A. So I'm going to tell my calculator it's a 3x3. And if you just keep hitting enter, you're going to be able to put the numbers in. 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 0, -1, 0. And I always like to double check that I have the right numbers in for my matrix. If you have to push pause to get your matrix in, please do so. From here, I like to go ahead and get out of there. So I hit second quit. And I like to clear out my whole screen, clear, clear, clear. And I'm going to put that back in. Second, I'm going to hit that inverse key to get my matrix up. And I'm going to call this matrix A. And I'm going to hit that button again, x to the negative first. So on my screen, I literally see matrix A to the negative first. And when I push enter, I get the answer. Did you get an answer? Push pause and let's see if we got the right answer. I got 4, -1, -1, 0, 0, -1, -3, 1, and 2. Did you get the right answer?